Ever tried to shut your garden gate and found it dragging or even hanging off? A broken gate hinge is a common headache in suburban backyards, leaving your fence insecure and your pets or kids at risk of escaping. Fixing it quickly is easier than you think and saves you from costly replacements. First, check if the screws have simply worked loose. Tighten them firmly with a screwdriver. If the screws spin and won't grip, remove them and fill the holes with matchsticks or wooden skewers dipped in wood glue. Then reinsert the screws to create a solid hold. For a hinge that's bent, rusted, or damaged, unscrew it completely. Clean away rust or dirt from the gate and post using a wire brush or sandpaper. Replace the hinge with a new galvanized model from your local hardware store, lining it up carefully with the original holes. Use longer screws if the timber is soft, worn, or splitting. One common mistake is ignoring signs of rot or splitting. If the timber is badly damaged, you'll need to replace that section before re-hanging the gate to ensure stability. Once the hinge is secure, test the gate's swing and alignment, adjusting if needed. A quick repair keeps your gate working smoothly, your yard safe, and your home looking cared for without hassle.